Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a body candy body jewelry haul video. This video is not sponsored. They did not send me any of this stuff. This is all stuff that I purchased with my own money. And I know you guys really like when I do like anything sort of piercing or body jewelry related, so I figured I would just hop on here really quick and just kind of show you guys what I got. We're just gonna kind of have like a chill sit down, kind of talk about everything that I got. I got mostly lip rings because, as you guys know, I have had my Medusa pierced for maybe about 6-7-ish months now, and I don't really have a whole lot of variety of lip rings. So I went on Body Candy and I got a whole bunch of them. I got 6 of them actually, and I just figured I would just kind of show you what they look like. That is kind of why we are zoomed in a little bit, so I can show you guys kind of up close and personal as to what they look like. And I think I'm actually even going to put one of these in. Couple little disclaimers. I took my acrylics off a couple days ago and my nails are crying. They're damaged. They look ugly. So please just try to look past that as I'm showing you all up close and personal what these little rings look like. I got a little bit of everything. I got mostly lip rings. I also got a pair of nipple rings, and I also got some new nose jewelry, which the nose jewelry I'm going to show you first because it's actually what I have in right now. So I used to wear 2 little beads type things, these little guys. I used to wear these in my nose all the time, and then I switched to hoops for a while. Well, I wanted just to wear the little balls again, and I couldn't find my other ones. I was like, what the hell? Did I get rid of them? Are they lost? Are they in my carpet somewhere? Went on Body Candy and I ordered a couple of these guys, so I'm just gonna whip them out and show you what they look like. They are just these little L-shaped nose rings that I got off of Body Candy. As you can see, the posts of these ones are very different. They're actually kind of like a braided texture. It's very, very strange. I have literally never tried anything like this before. And then on the ends of them, as you can see, there is just this little tiny ball, which I really do like the look of. 2 of these to go in my nose because I have piercings on both sides of my nose. And I know a lot of you are gonna ask, since it does have this kind of like braided texture, does it hurt to put in your nose? Well, funny you ask, because that is exactly what I was thinking as well. I was like, I wonder if that's gonna hurt at all. But I'm here to tell you they do not hurt going in. I did get 20 gauge and I just kind of, you know, slide them in like this. So there's one, and there's the other one. I really do like this look. I know it may seem, you know, not very exciting. I know it may seem a little plain to some of you, but me personally, I think I like to switch it up every once in a while, where I'll like to have either the hoops or I'll like to have these little guys just kind of hanging out in my nose. The only thing I will say is sometimes, now I've had this not just with these ones, but with a lot of like nose jewelry like this, sometimes, you know, without me knowing, sometimes they will be sticking out like this, and I have no idea until I'm like walking around and I'll kind of like see it like this and I'm like, oh shit. Now, it feels like I didn't get very much. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 things and my total was almost $70. I don't know what it is. I don't know if Body Candy like upped their shipping. I don't know if they upped their prices, but I feel like my orders never used to be that expensive. But just something I noticed. Have you guys noticed that? I just feel like Body Candy is a little bit more expensive now. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just broke as shit. And then the next thing that I got, and then the rest of the products are all going to be the lip rings that I got for my lip piercing. But the next thing I got, oh my gosh, okay, so Body Candy has this like whole line on their site where it's like all matte jewelry, where you can get like matte coated belly button rings or nipple rings or septum rings. Like, it's really, really cool. It's really creative and I absolutely love it. Like, I literally was scrolling through the matte body jewelry for hours and hours and hours, and then I saw these and I was like, wow, those would look so cute in my tittles. So I got myself a pair of matte black nipple rings. Here are what they look like. Oh my gosh, they are so freaking cool. You guys know I love the color black. It's the best. So when I saw that they had matte black nipple rings, I was like, yes, sir. So let me take them out of the packaging and just show you guys as up close as I can. So I don't know if you can see on camera, but they almost look velvety in texture, but they are completely matte black nipple rings, and I cannot wait to put these in. Like, you guys have no idea how badly it's been killing me to wait to film this so I can put this in. Well, now that I've showed you what they look like in the packaging, I'm gonna put them in. Oh my god, this is so fucking weird. I'm like naked on camera. Cool. Hi, welcome to my channel. Be sure to subscribe. For the ones I actually had in, I don't know if you can see on camera, but they're a really bright, vibrant neon orange color, and I actually really liked them. Oh, cute. Oh my god, those are adorable. I'm gonna do the other one now. Sorry, you guys can't see. Very subtle. They're not as loud as like the neon orange ones, but I'm living for it. I'm feeling it. I love it. Alright, I'm back. I'm fully clothed. We're family friendly now. We're advertiser friendly. Hi, welcome to my channel. I think they're gonna work out really good. They look so... Oh my god. Oh my god, that scared me. Holy shit. Did you guys see my face? My like palettes kind of fell over when I went to go open my blinds again, and it scared the shit out of me. Anyway, now, and then the rest of the body jewelry that I got is all very itty bitty teeny tiny little lip rings. Now, the size that I personally like to wear in my Medusa, I like to have 1/4 of an inch, which is very, very, very tiny. Like, this is the size that I like to wear in my lip rings. It doesn't look, I don't know. It's really, really short, you guys. Now, I have never had any issues with this length in my Medusa, and I got a bunch of different ones in the same size. The first one I'm gonna show you is one that I've actually had in already, but it is this 1/4 of an inch, 16 gauge, cute little opal moment. Do you guys see how pretty this is? Oh my gosh, I love it. The only thing I will say is for like a lip ring type, you know, thingy-mabop situation, is I kind of feel like the back of it, like I don't even know how I'm gonna be able to show you because it's so tiny. But the back of it, see how it's kind of like that X shape? I do feel like it was kind of poking the outside of my lip, so this wasn't the most like comfortable ring I've ever worn in my Medusa, but I am such a sucker for opal. I love anything opal. All of these are also internally threaded, so they're 16 gauge, 1/4 of an inch, all internally threaded. So I got that little opal one. I also got this really pretty purple one, which I cannot wait to wear because I just think this is a really pretty color. It kind of like reflects light a little bit, like you guys can kind of see it moving around and whatnot. And again, it does have that kind of like X shape in the back, so I don't know if it's gonna be the same as this one where it's gonna like poke the shit out of my lip. So I mean, worst comes to worst, I can use, my gosh, this video is some kind of shit show. Worst comes to worst, I can just wear these in like, you know, helix piercings, tragus piercings. I have a bunch of different holes in my ears that these would also work really well for, but I just thought they would make really cool lip rings, and I absolutely loved the way this opal one looked, and I really want to try the purple one. The next one that I got, this is probably my most purchased item on Body Candy ever since I started buying off of Body Candy, which was like 9 years ago now, which is insane. I always get these, and they are these little 1/4 of an inch, 16 gauge, internally threaded, and they actually come in a pack of 3. But oh my gosh, hang on. Actually come in a pack of 3 from like the biggest to largest. So here's the biggest one right here. And then it also comes with these 2 little guys as well. Here we have the smallest one, and then the medium-sized one, and then of course the large one. There is all 3 of them, and they come in a pack of 3 from smallest to largest. Now, I have gotten the silver ones, I've gotten the blue ones. Like, I have the silver ones in my second lobes right here. I have some up here in these helix piercings. I have them in my forward helix. I have them in my tragus. Like, I literally always constantly purchase this same item off of Body Candy because I just always have really, really good luck with it. So I wanted to get the pink one just to have for my lip ring. Now, again, as I just showed you guys, these are extremely versatile. You can use them in your lip, you can use them in your tragus, your lobes, your helix, you know, whatever you want to use them for. Really great. I also like the back plates on these because they're not super, super small. They're not super, super big. And when I did have this style in my lip ring, I really liked it. So far, it was the most comfortable one that I've ever tried, so I wanted to get another pack to have in my lip ring. And this would actually go really, really good with my pink septum ring, so that's actually really cute. I know they're all really, really small, so I know it's probably hard to see. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to, like, you know, get as close to the camera as possible. The next one that I got is actually one that is pretty much identical to the one that I have in my lip now, except this one is 1/4 of an inch. It is the surgical steel, because the one that I have in right now is Bioplast. I don't know if you guys can see that, and it's a push-in, whereas this one is internally threaded. It is the metal. So here is what the post of this one looks like, and here is the little gem right on the front here. This is just kind of a staple. I feel like when you have a piercing or a lip piercing, I just feel like this style is definitely just like a staple to have. Now, my only concern with this one is the back plate is very, very, very small. Next one that I got, it came in a pack of 2, but I only got it because I wanted one of them, but I couldn't find it just as like a single, so I had to get the pack of 2. But it is these little tiny lip rings, earrings, whatever you want to call them. Honestly, body jewelry is so damn versatile. Like, whatever the hell you want to use it for, you know, fucking go for it. At least I do. One that I really wanted out of the pack of 2, it actually is going to match my nose piercings perfectly, and it's actually the one that I think I'm going to put in today. But it is this little guy right here. As you can see, it looks just like my nose rings. It just has this little tiny silver ball right at the top of it. And here is what the post looks like. This one's externally threaded. Okay, good to know. This one's externally threaded. And then the other one that came in the pack that I'm honestly not crazy about, and I probably won't even keep, is this one right here. It's kind of like this little flower, like 16 gauge, like clover flower looking thing. I don't know. I'm really not crazy about this one. I literally only got it because it came with the one that I wanted. So I am going to change my lip ring. Oh, there we go. And then I'm gonna take the post, flip my lip up, slide it in like that. And then I'm going to twist the little ball on, which I don't know if you guys will be able to see this because I gotta get real up close and personal here so I can make sure that it goes on the post. Touch up my lipstick. There's literally nothing to fucking snowplow right now. He's literally just scraping ice. How long is this gonna go on for? I finally got the lip ring in. Here's what it looks like. I am absolutely obsessed with it. It matches my nose rings so freaking well. I love this look. I'm definitely someone who is more of like a simplistic type bitch when it comes to my body jewelry, and I like when things kind of match and flow together. Really? I don't know what the heck is going on with my eyes. I mean, I did work yesterday and I had a husky. I feel like I'm like allergic to double-coated dog breeds, like German Shepherds, Huskies. Every time I do one, my eyes like get like this. It's very weird. I swear I'm not on drugs. I'm fine. But yeah, that is what this lip ring looks like. I really like it, and that is everything that I got at Body Candy. Oh my gosh, this video was a process. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my little body candy haul. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me also know down in the comments which piece of jewelry is your favorite. Which lip ring do you want to see me try next? I would love to know. If you are new to my channel, oh my god, I need to end this video. New to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here, and I promise there isn't always a unnecessary snowplow outside my window. So be sure to subscribe for quieter videos. To the rest of you, I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me for today's little haul video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.